gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh.
Joshy, don't be touching stuff. Go get Daddy. Go tell Daddy to start the car because he's touching all the lights.
What lights?
Go tell Daddy. Joshy's touching all the stuff in his car. Hurry.
Daddy!
You're gonna get in trouble shopping. What is this?
Mascara, makeup.
No, Joshy, you're gonna fall out of the car. You're gonna fall out of the car, Weta.
Joshy, stop.
Look it.
Oh, yes, Kiki.
Yeah.